Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in pieces. On this channel, we do product reviews and also tutorials. And today we're going to have a look at the Moocor police body cam. Now this is everything you get in the box. You get a little clip where you can connect it to the camera into your body. You get in the USB wire, you get in the user manual, the software. You guys know it. You're getting the usual, guys. Now the main thing you need to know about this camera is how to take the battery out. You want to unlatch that little latch at the top of the camera, take out the battery, and underneath you're going to see it have a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. So it's coming with its own storage, guys. That's very, very important. This SD card do not have to be removed for you to get the footage out of it. You just connect the USB to the computer. Now having a look at the camera, look, it's solidly built. It's IP56 rated. That means that it's dust and water resistant, or should I say proof. And at the bottom you see you have a spot for your USB port, and you also can hook up a micro HDMI wire to a larger screen. Now it's laid out. If you want to take a picture, hit the picture button. You want to take a video, hit the video button. I love that you got this nice display on the back, about 2 inches, and you can shoot up to 4K with this thing, guys. Now the importance of having a body cam nowadays, look, you got to protect yourself, guys. You get in a situation and it's a he say she say type of thing. Hey, with this body cam you have actual proof what's happening, especially if you like a bodyguard or a bouncer or something like that. This is something great for you to have. Or if there's an event that you're going to, again, this is something that you should have on your persons at all time. This is going to help you provide that video evidence. It's simple to set up. You just slide the little clip on. Once you put it on, I'm just showing you guys different angles how to put it on. Slide, it's connect, and then you can put it on your persons anywhere on your body. It's different positions you can use for the clip. It really latch on and it holds on really well. Now you can see I got this shirt on. It clips right there and it's stayed in its position, guys. Stayed in its position. Now this is not the optimal shirt for you to wear. Of course, most people will have a uniform, but look, this little shirt right here, boom, that spot right there, I'm good to go. It have tons and tons of settings. You can go through it, but let's see how it works. You can see that the camera shake as you walk, so there's no stabilization. And then I want to show you some footage of me running. You can see how it really starts to shake. Now you can see why a lot of that police footage is heavily edited because of the shakiness. But you know, you can hear the audio. This is some pictures that I snapped. Once again, you can go ahead and you can change the quality, the fineness of the video and the audio. Overall, I love this device. This is great, guys. Like if you're having an event or you're in situations where you want to document stuff, this camera has tons and tons of options. Infrared for night shooting, standby mode. You can even record audio. Mayday, 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 mayday. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Overall, this is a good product for personal protection, personal security. Until next time, it's your boy Taking a Bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.